How to block spam Robinhood user. To block spam user on Robinhood, you should utilize in-app privacy settings to manage profile visibility, report suspicious account, and secure your account with two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. So basically, what you want to do is open your Robinhood app on your device. After which, you just want to go to your profile visibility settings. So what you need is actually, you just want to go to the profile and go to visibility settings, or just tap the menu bar at the top right, go to settings. There you could find account details, notification, app preferences, and once you've actually selected that, the profile visibility settings to manage who can find and view your profile, which can prevent stranger from sending you request. Similarly, if you receive spam or phishing attempt by email or text, you can report them immediately by emailing at reportphishing@robinhood.com. Likewise, if a specific user is targeting you could use the in-app reporting tool to flag this account as well. And to secure your account, you could also enable two-factor authentication or use any sort of third-party app to protect your account as well. So this is how you're going to block spam Robinhood user. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.